Okay, basically, a lot of things, what goes into making a fight scene look real? A lot of times, people, if you're in martial arts and you want to get into movies, you have to realize it's a whole different area, it's a whole different thing. And I always get people ask me, you still working out? You still keeping in shape? You have to be in shape to do movies, because it's not like getting, I mean, being in shape for martial arts is one thing, but when you have to do a fight scene for 12 hours a day, over and over and over and over, you have to be in shape. Hit Bam come in, Bam come in, he throws a jab, boom, throws his hands, boom. From there, I'm gonna round kick, my fault. Let's do it again. Throws a jab, bang, bang, round kick, bang, back fist, boom. Throw a round kick here. Then we'll have this guy come in. As he comes, bang, okay, let's get
Okay, so let me see you do that.
Okay, let's try.
Let me see what that looks like. Wait a minute, wait, this was one of the grips. You knocking the guy out.
You didn't tell me he was coming.
Let's come yet?
Oh no, it's on its way. Should be coming to the
Club, that was a joke, man. That club was kicking like that.
Slam.
Hey, what's up with you, man? Hey, why you looking at my girl like that, man?
No, I was just looking that way, man. You know.
Nah, you thinking of my girl, man. What you doing with my girl for? Nah, you gotta go to
It wasn't even like that,
You
bro.
looking at my girl like that, man.
Man, honestly, it wasn't like that.
You want some trouble or something,
I
man?
don't want no trouble,
You
man.
must want some trouble, man.
Nah, bro, I don't want no trouble.
You got something.
I got you back up, man.
They don't even play like that.
Boom. Somebody took the stash, man.
Man, I told you to beat me, man. I couldn't beat you.
Man,
In the first place, man.
Excuse me, man. Watch the thing. They gotta get out this corner with that. I can't handle it in this community, man.
What's up with you, man? You don't run the show, brother. You ain't
Do that. We can finish this now, man. Call it quits. Told you selling and dealing in this community is bad, man. You losers.